You want to manage your entire fleet with one central software? We present CarLo inMOTION, the specialized solution for the management and optimization of your vehicle fleet. With CarLo inMOTION, you control all aspects of your fleet in a central and intuitive way. Monitor the status and availability of your vehicles in real time. Manage maintenance, intervals, appointments, driver data and usage plans. Everything in one system. Thanks to precise analysis, CarLo inMOTION helps you to reduce the operational costs and maximize the utilization. The comprehensive integration with other CarLo modules ensures a transparent overview and smooth communication between fleet management and transport planning. Maintain control of your resources, optimize your processes, and make sure that your fleet is always ready for use. CarLo inMOTION, the intelligent solution for modern, efficient, and cost-saving fleet management.